Hello, everyone. It's nice to see you again. Are we learning something useful today? Oh, yes, Paul. Today's topic is easy English for shopping. Many people feel nervous when shopping in English.
Yes, very nervous. But don't worry, everyone. Today, we will learn simple sentences you can use in any shop.
Let's start. The first sentence is, how much is this? Paul, can you say it?
Of course. How much is this? Very simple.
Great. Next sentence. Do you have a bigger size?
And if you need a smaller one, just say, do you have a smaller size?
Good job. Another useful sentence is, can I try this? This is perfect for clothing shops.
Yes. And if you want another color, just ask, do you have this in another color?
Very nice, Paul. And when you want to buy something, you can say, I will take this.
Or, if you don't want to buy it, say, thank you, maybe next time.
Wonderful. These simple lines will help you shop with confidence.
Yes. Practice them and you will feel great.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye-bye.